got all kinds of issues this morning. Got this going now. We had 3.5 inches of rain, so for some reason it didn't start. So you are able to jump these using your vehicle. Now I don't have my truck going, but once again, red goes to positive, black goes to negative, red goes to positive, black goes to negative. Luckily, within this truck, I was carrying, I've always got tools on hand, so I had my tire thing to get the pressure in my tire up. Then this wouldn't start for whatever reason. Like I said, we had 3.5 inches of rain the last couple of days. I think that may have had something to do with it, or ran the battery down. So I always carry in the Northwoods, when we have 30 below in the winter time, you make sure, one, you got a good battery, and two, that you have a set of tick cables with you. Never ever let these things touch anything metal where it'll spark, or touch the ends together when one end is connected. And always make sure you get the current correct, otherwise you'll probably blow up your battery, or at the least you'll burn up your cable. So, alright, this is what we're going to do. We'll get some mowing done. So this is after 7 days now. I mowed this 7 days ago, and it's like a first crop of hay back here. So we're going to get this done. Hit that like and subscribe button. Road Flatbed Specialist. Check out my other videos, please.